Today, we're investigating a mudjacking job performed by a local company. This footage shows where the mudjacker just washed out his equipment after raising a sidewalk a few short minutes ago. After years of hearing wild claims of high compressive strength and longevity of repairs, we decided to find out exactly what this local mudjacker is doing. We're evaluating a project they've done for a friend of ours in order to get a first-hand assessment of this mudjacker's material. Obtaining samples of the mudjacking material for testing is our #1 priority. This material is very fine, like baseball diamond sand, and based upon its color, does not appear to contain cement. We'll be back in a few days to investigate further. Clearly has no cement or mortar in it at all. It's still just very mushy. Feels like baseball diamond sand, basically. And you can see the hole patches, how much they do not blend in. Looks like the concrete has began to drop already. This is uneven. It was even 4 days ago and it's already starting to sink. It's now been a week since we collected samples and we have a fully cured cube of the material. We simply placed a cured mudjacking sample on a plastic lid where we will add a small amount of water. The mudjacking material does not resist water, it absorbs it. In less than 30 minutes, our sample has returned to its original state, mud, with no compressive strength at all. When comparing poly to mudjacking, simply look at the two things that matter to you most: injection hole size and warranty. With polyurethane, you will always get a better looking repair that's guaranteed to last longer than any mudjacking service.